Let's continue with the problems. The seventh problem here says 2x by 3 is 18. Alright, so let's see how to solve this guy. There's 2x by 3 is 18. I still say that if at all you guys need to work it out yourself, do it. Right, so try solving yourself. If you're not getting the problem, then you can look into the solution here on the board. Anyway, now what exactly you have to think here? I need to get x alone, right? So I should not have 3 here. So both the possible ways, let's do it in both the ways here. It says 2x by 3 is 18, right? So how will I remove 3? First of all, 2x by 3. Between 2 and 3, I need to make a choice. Whom to remove first. So let's go with the division side. So the thing is, like, if division goes here on the other side, it goes like as multiplication. See, division goes as multiplication. So 2x is 18 into 3. Or balancing method goes like, I need to do something here and here, both same operation with the same number, so that I should not have 3. So if 3 is in denominator, I'll multiply with 3 on both sides. See, I can see that goes off. That is 2x is 18 into 3. It's the same thing as I have 2x is 18 into 3. That's all about it. All right, now what I can do, I don't want 2 here. I need to eliminate 2 from here. This multiplication, so multiplication goes as what? Division, right? So I can write this 2 down here. That is x is 18 into 3 divided by 2. So that's how I can make x alone, single. Right. In this case, again I have 18 into 3. So can I do the same operation both the sides? Yeah, divide both sides by 2. See, here and here we're doing the same thing. Here we just send 2 off down here on the right hand side, because multiplication becomes division here. Here I'm dividing both sides with the same number, so it's like that. So x is 2 1 times and 2 9 times, and 9 into 3 is 27. So what I get here, same answer you get, that is 27. So that's all about it, nothing much. Let's go with the second problem here. It says 1.6 is equal to y by 1.5. Now see, the whole idea is to find y. So can I take y on the left hand side? So interchange these guys. So y by 1.5 is equal to 1.6. Okay, cool. I just wrote this whole thing here and this whole thing here. That's it. So the next thing is, this is division. Division goes here as what? Multiplication. So I can multiply this on the other side. That is y is equal to 1.6 into 1.5. That's what I have. Can I multiply this now? 5 and 6 is 33. 3, 5, 1 is 5, and that is 8. Then that is 16. So if I add this, I'll get 0, 4, and 2. Right, so I can see there is one decimal point, another point, that is 2.40. Y's value is y is 2.40. That's all about it. Right, you guys should be good at divisions and multiplications of decimal numbers, right? Anyway, let's go ahead. The next one says 7x minus 9 is 16. So the first thing here to do is to send 9 on the other side, because this guy is far from x. Anything which is far from x first goes, then who is near to x, that is 7, would go later. Alright, so fine. How can I transport 9? Very simple. This guy is a minus 9. It means a girl 9 goes there as plus 9. So 7x is 16 plus 9. So remember the rule, like minus goes there, it becomes plus. I said minus is like it's a girl and goes there as a boy. That's all about it. If a boy goes, it becomes a girl. So there's a magic about equals, right? So now let's go ahead. This is 7x is 16 plus 9 is 25, and I don't want 7 now. This is multiplication goes there as division, so this guy will go down. That is x is 25 by 7. That's all about it. All right, what about the next problem? Let's check. It says 14y minus 8 is 13. So again I have 14y, and who is far from y is 8, so 8 goes first. Minus 8 goes there as plus 8. That is 14y is equal to 13 plus 8, and 14y is equal to 13 plus 8 is 21. That's what I have. Now what can I do with this? That is y is 21 by 14. Can I divide these guys with a common number at least? Yes, 7. 7 2 times and 7 3 times, and y is equal to 3 by 2. So we know that 14 would go down here, right? That's all about it. What's the next problem here? Let's take it up. It says 17 plus 16, or 6p is 9. I just have 6p. Now here the variable is p. If you don't have x and y, you may have m, n, or whatever, p, q, whatever it is, but p is something which is a variable now, so I'm supposed to keep p on one side. So something far from p is who? 17. 17 will go there. It goes like 6p remains the same, this guy remains the same. 17 will go as minus 17. Why is that? Plus would go there as minus, we know this, right? That's a simple logic. So 6p goes as 9, minus 17 would be simply 8, correct? Yeah. So now minus 8 I can say. Now what happens? P is minus 8 by 6. So if I cancel both of them with the number 2, it goes like minus 4 by 3. That's my answer. Very simple. So what is the last one? Would you like to do yourself? Try doing it yourself. Okay. So what's left out is x by 3 plus 1 is 7 by 15 is what I have. So who is the interest here? The interest is x, correct? So who is far from x? 1. Who is close to x? 3. So first I'll take 1 and put on the other side. By transporting this, I have 1 would go there. These guys remain the same. 1 would go there as minus 1. Plus 1 goes as minus 1. Keep the rules intact. So what's the LCM? 15. And I have 7 minus 15 is what I get. That is minus 8 again by 15. Alright. Now what happens here? X by 3 is minus 8 by 15. So how will I remove 3 from here? So this guy is in denominator or in division, right, with x. So this guy goes as multiplication on the right hand side. That is x is equal to minus 8 by 15 into 3, right? This division goes there as multiplication. So 3 1 times, 3 5 times what I have. So x is minus 8 by 5. We understand this, right?